Now we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you attribute selectors. So we can also use these attributes, for example here, relation or the href for our link tag, and then select them in CSS to give then specific elements a certain style, only if they have this attribute. Let me add a link here, and I add an href attribute. Let me just add a placeholder here. I'll make that link 1. Now I add a second link. I make that link 2, and I add a BR tag, which is a line break after the first link, so that both links are in different lines. And here for the link 2, I add a target attribute. I make it _blank, which will open this link in a new tab if we click on it. And now I can select this in CSS. To do that, we'll select the A element and then add square brackets. Afterwards curly brackets as usual, and inside of the square brackets you add the attribute. In our case, the attribute can either be the href, but both links have an href, so the target attribute is the better one to pick. So we use a square brackets target and then add our property. Let me just change the background color to yellow. If I refresh it all, you can see link 2 now has a yellow background because it has this target attribute. If I copy paste this into link 1, this will give a background color to link 1 as well, so everything works as it should. This way of selecting attributes is not limited to just a blank attribute. We can also define the value that it should have so that we select it in our CSS. For example, you might have a target of _blank for some links and then a target of _top for others. So let me add a third link here. I have to add line break after link 2. And now I change the value for the target of link 3 from _blank to _top. For now, still link 2 and 3 have a yellow background because we haven't defined the value that it needs to have here in CSS. But we can easily do that by adding equal to quotation marks _blank, and now only link 2 has this yellow background, and link 3, even though it has a target, it doesn't have a yellow background because the value is top and not _blank. And that's all I wanted to cover in this introduction for selecting attributes in CSS. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.